Good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve EDXCEL International GCSE ICT paper, Information and Communication Technology paper. With the paper, the component code is 02 and the syllabus code is 4IT1. Okay, so now in this task, we are going to solve databases files. All right, now we will go down to check our databases files here. All right. Section A, we already completed. Now let's go to the task 2. Yeah, this is the task 2 databases. Yeah, Morgan has collected the information about the parties booked with the company. She has saved the information in databases, party information. The databases has two tables. Okay, students, so here they provided us with the two tables. Okay, the databases with two tables. All right. The party table include the information about the parties offer and secure the parties table is. Okay. So this is how the databases will be look like this for the table party. These are the fields, these are the data types, and these are the descriptions. And the customer table also has been created and data has been put, but no data has been stored. Okay, so it is only created. We need to enter the data. All right, done. Okay, open a new word processing document, set the orientation to the landscape. Okay, to do that, I'm going to type Word, Microsoft Word. All right, now we will go and make the orientation to be the landscape. Done. Now set the orientation to the landscape. Enter the task to your name, candidate number, center number, candidate number, and sentinel number. Okay. So this is my task two, and then name is ABC, center number IN123, and the candidate number is 1234. All right. Done. Now save the document as a task two. Okay. So now file, save as, browse. We will go to our desktop and we will look into our first edX source files folder, and then I'm going to save it as a Microsoft Word. Done. Okay, so now let's go to the question paper. Okay, Morgan wanted to use a form to add the extra parties to the party table. All right, open the party information databases and open the party table in it. All right. So now to do that, we will go to our support file folder. All right. So let me right click, extract all. This is our source file folder. Done. Okay. Databases tool file. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. And the party information. Right. We open the databases, which is party information. All right. So now done. These are the two tables. We can clearly able to see it. Next, what we need to do. Okay, task 2A. So let's try to solve the first question, first task of 2A. Create a form from the party table. Okay, the form must include the sheriff. Sheriff, student, let me tell you, sans serif is Arial, sheriff is Times New Roman. Again, I repeat, sans serif is Arial, serif is Times New Roman. Okay, font, okay, the title and the field heading should be serif, means Times New Roman, and be customized so that the field heading have 2 points border. We also have to make sure that the all the fields headings, all the fields, including fields and heading, should be 2 point border. Include an automated date and automated time, which we are going to add. Okay, all right. So now let us try to create step by step we will do. All right, so now let me go to my databases tool, create, okay, form wizard, and first table I'm going to select is the party table. I'm going to put all the fields and then next. Okay, is it a tabular or a columnar? Did they mention in here? So include automated date option. So here they did not mention the party table. Yeah, so they did not mention anything. So we will keep it as a columnar. Next, modify, and then what would be the name? Save as a party form. Okay, Control C and Control V. The name of the form will be the party form, and then finish. Here we go. Done. Okay, this is how your form will be look like. Okay, all right. So now let us start doing the changes and the modification. Include a serif front, title, and all fields. So right click, design view, select the title, one, two, all the fields, and then go to home and make it as a Times New Roman. Okay, yep, done. So now and select all the headings. Okay, and then we will go to property sheet, and this should have how much they mention here, 2 points border. So where is our table border? Border width is here, and I'm going to select the 2 points. Done. Okay, let me put it here so that you can clearly see. Yep, this is done. Next, include an automated date and time. Okay, so now I'm going to add the date and time too. Click on format. Okay, and right click, go to design view. Okay, from the design view, go to your design, form design, and here is your date and time. Click on date and time and choose the medium date and medium time. And then press OK. Yeah, here we go. We got it. Next, include an option to save record, save each record. Okay, so now they are asking us to put an option also. Okay, so to do that, we need to enlarge the size first so that we can able to insert the option. Here, the student from this form design, this is the option you can use the button. Okay, the option button. Drag it till here. Okay, now where is to save the record? Check in operations. Okay, yeah, it is here, the save record, and press next. Okay, and then click mark or save record. It is a save record because they told us it should save the each record. So now save record, next. Okay, and this I'm going to name it as a save, save record. All right, so save record and then finish. So here you can able to see, let me enlarge it so that you can able to see it. So now date and time is done. So now what they are asking here, automated date and time is done. All right. So now including an option save record. Okay. So now they are asking us to put an option called as a save record. All right. So now to do that, we will go to the option here. Okay. Button, and we are going to use the form button. Click that option here and look into the record operations. We are going to use the save record. Next. Okay. So now this would be a text, okay, not the picture. Next, and then save it as a save record. Type here save RECORD record. All right, and then press OK next. So now here we go. We got this option too. Now save the form as a party form, which is already been done. Take a screenshot of your form design view, okay, and set the 2 point border field. Okay, this is done, and include the automated date and time. Okay, so now let me bring it here so that, yep, here we can take the screenshot and paste in our evidence document. Yeah, we need to paste it. So Windows plus, we are going to use the shortcut command Windows plus print screen. So here we go. And this I'm going to paste in my evidence file. This is how it will be look like this. All right, done. Now, what do we need to do now? Next, let's go to the next question. Paste a screenshot. This is done. Okay, and resave the task 2. Okay, so now let me save the task 2. Right click, save. All right, and close. And this is how our form will be look like. All right. Now let's go to the next task, which is task 2AB. Morgan wanted a list of parties, okay, that are booked for 2024 and have more than 50 guests and paid as a deposit. Create a query. Okay, now they are asking us to create a query from the party table only and produce the list. All right, student, to create a query, let me tell you, you need to start with the question called show only the fields. Please remember, you need to start from here. So that you can get all the required specific field first you need to insert and then apply the criteria. This is what we called it as a criteria in databases access. So this is the criteria which they give us, but they want the list must include means the particular query must include only this field, show only these fields. Okay, so now to do this, okay, so we are done with this. Right click save and right click close. Now to do this, I will go to create query wizard, simple query, okay, only from parties. Okay, now what I need here, I need party type first. Let me put in order. Party type first, next party date, I need party date, then I need customer ID, then I need customer ID, yep, and then last is number of guests. Once you're done, make sure in your the criteria, if something is missing, we can add on that in the query. You don't have to worry at all. So now, according to the given list, we arrange the fields. Now, next, what should be the modify the design? What should be the query name they gave us? Save query as a 2024 query. So copy this and paste it here, Control V, and then finish. Done. This is our query is ready now. Now let me start from the beginning. Okay, now Borgan wants a list of parties are the book for 2024 means the date should be the party date only for the year which is 2024. So here students simply you can use multiple criteria. So I need to I ask you to I prefer you to use 2024 only, just star asterisk and 2024 and run it. So here you can able to see all the fields, all the party days are only for the year 2024. Done. Next criteria is have more than 50 guests. Have more than 50 guests. Right click design view. Now uh, right click design view. Now, so number of guests should be greater than 50. Okay, number of guests should be greater than 50 and run. So here I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5. Okay, now next have paid deposit. Okay, so right click design view. Now to find out have paid deposit, I need to check here. Okay, what is the paid deposit for what? Okay, have paid. So now I need to have here the paid. So paid here. Okay, so paid. Okay, deposit. Right click design view. Okay, now deposit. So now the last I'm going to add here is the have paid deposit. So deposit is paid. Okay, so here what does it mean? It means that people, those who paid the deposit, people who paid the money for the party can only allow. So now to do that, it should not less than zero. Okay, the value of the money should not be less than zero. Okay, it should be greater than zero. So I'm going to put greater than zero here and then go to query design and run it. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 successful records we able to generate it. Okay, I hope you understood, student. This is the three criteria we applied. Okay, take a screenshot of your query, paste the screenshot in your this. Okay, but before doing that, let me show see anything. B, sorted the order highest as a new guest. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here, newest one. Okay, so the number of guests, highest should be the number of guests. So to do that, uh, let me go here, highest. Okay, save it here and descending order. Okay, Z to A. So highest is this and lowest is this. All right. Now anything else? Nothing else. Okay, display the order and sorted the result as a query. Done. Take a screenshot. Okay, so now first of all, we need to take a screenshot of this. This is perfectly fine. So let me check each and everything is in order. Party name, party type. Yeah, it is party type, party date and customer ID, party date and customer ID, and number of guests. So like take a screenshot and paste. So save the query. So let me take the first screenshot here. Let me close this previous one. Okay. Now, is it in a design view? Take a screenshot, query design. Okay, so now right click, design view. So let me take a screenshot here first. And this is our screenshot. All right, so now I'm going to paste it here. Control V. Okay, so this is the first another screenshot we got it, and this is for task to be okay. All right, now show the fields. Okay, and the lowest okay to the lowest, highest to lowest. Done. And again we need to take one screenshot. Take a screenshot result of the query. So this is the result of my query and take the screenshot. So Windows plus print screen. This is the results. So now I'm going to paste it in my evidence file here. Control V. Done. Now next. So we're done with the task to AB. All right. So this is for task to AB. Okay. A to B. All right. Done. Now next. Anything else? Yes. Task to A to C. Okay. Task A to C. Let's start doing it. Now to do this, right click save. First previous one. Right click close. Now done. Next. Do we need to put our name center number here? Did they ask? No. So now we will go to the next task. Borgen want a list of customers that have booked certain services. The list must include the following: who booked for catering. Okay, this is the criteria again they gave us. So first of all, to create a query. So as I told you, we will first of all we will create the query. Okay, so we will start with show only the fields first. All right. So now let's start it. Create query wizard. Okay, this is for which table? So we need to select the party table only, simple query. Okay, now let me select the party table. Okay, let me order it. First is customer ID, customer ID. Second is party type, party type. Third is party date. Okay, they are asking party date. All right, done. Now this three we needed for time being. Okay, this we will add once we create the query. Next, okay, modify. And what would be the name of this query? Save the query as a service query. Okay, this I'm going to name it as a service query and then finish. Here we go. We got it. Now let us start for our criteria. For only one criteria they gave, which is catering and venue disorder. Means who booked. Okay, so now let me select from here. Enlarge. You need to enlarge student this little bit so that you can see. Okay, first is the others catering. Okay, so now let me select catering first and second is venue decorated. Okay, decoration done. So include. Okay, have. Okay, include means student here include the customer who booked. Who booked means those who already paid the money and booked. So now if you see the data, let me show you the data here. Okay, service query. This is called booked. Book means yes. If it is tick mark means booked. If it is empty means not booked. So right click design view. So in databases tool, we call this type of values are a Boolean values, which is yes or no. Okay, so now catering those who booked. They want us to show the data, those who booked. So catering is yes, and also menu decoration is also yes. All right, so done. This two. Anything else I need to do? Nothing. Only the sort into an ascending data of a party date. I need to party date should be ascending order. Party date should be in ascending order. All right. Yes. So now we done. Run. So this is our answer. Okay. Perfectly fine. Now save the query. Take a screenshot. Again, we need to take one more screenshot for this in a design view. Yeah, query design. Take a screenshot. Right click design view. This is our criteria. Now I'm going to take the screenshot. Okay. This is the design view screenshot and let me paste it here. Okay. So now this is our task A. What is this task? Task A to C. Okay. So now this is our task A to C. Enter. Okay. Now this is my first screenshot. Control V. Okay. Done. Now next, let me go to the next question. Okay. Borgan wanted to produce a report based on the result. Okay. So now Borgan wanted to produce the report from the task which we have done just now. Okay. So now double click. This is our query. Right click. You need to save it, right click, close it. All right, done. So now to create a report, click on create, go to report wizard. Okay, and then what we need to select here, service query. All right, so now let me put everything in order. Okay, first is customer ID, customer ID. Second is party type, party type. Third is party date, third is party date. Okay, see, this is the only field they wanted to see. So I'm not inserting the catering and the venue decoration. So these are the only three fields. Next, next. Okay, what is in ascending order? Have a suitable title in a serif font. Did they mention anything here? Show the record sorted, required. Yeah, nothing. Only this is a party date should be in ascending order. Next. And is it a columnar form or a tabular report? Create a databases report. The okay, the databases report must be okay. Record, show record. Yeah, they did not mention anything here. So we will go ahead with the tabular only. Next, modify, and they ask us to now have a suitable title for a sheriff fund. Okay, so now service query, report service query. This is what I'm going to put here. Service query is already there. So now report. Okay, report, report underscore service query, modify and finish. Finally, we got our report too. Now, yes, have a suitable title using a sheriff fund. Again, I will select this and go to home, and it should be Times New Roman. Yeah, done. Now, include the logo you created. So now let me put the logo here. Logo where we need to put top left. Okay. So now we will move this a little bit in center, and we will just click use an option here, insert image, browse. Okay, now we will go to our support file folder, which is there on the desktop. We will go to 2022 EDXCEL paper. Here we go, and this is the logo and insert. And here you can put it the logo. Perfectly fine. This is done. Now let's go to the next question. Include the logo. Done. Show only the required fields, which is already done. Parties, customer ID. So here it will start with the customer ID first. So let me arrange it in order. Just you need to move it a little bit so that yeah, here this quite take you a little time, student, in your exam, so you need to be careful. Yeah, so this is how you can move and arrange according to the given question. Yeah, so this is done. Uh, Let me move this here and then you will move it here and then this we will bring it here. All right, so done. This is done. So now let me click it. Yeah, perfectly fine. Now next, what we need to do. Show the record sorted as required. Yeah, we done with the date wise, which is perfectly fine. Include the company name in the header. All right. So now I'm going to do this. So right click again, design view, we will go. Okay. So now let me put this little down. Okay. And here in the header, control V. So this is perfect. I'm going to increase. Yeah. So now this I'm going to increase a little bit so that it look good. Yeah. So make it 20 and this also can make it 20. Yeah. So now click on your report. This is the perfect party report service query. Yep. So anything else we need to do? Enter your name, center number and candidate number in the footer. Okay. So now right click again, design view. So here the label I'm going to use and write my name, center number, candidate name, ABC, center number IN 123, candidate number is 1234. All right, so done. So perfectly fine. This is our report done. So you got total 8 marks for this task. Now next, take a screenshot of your report, paste the screenshot in task 2. So this is my report. So Windows plus print screen, we will take a screenshot and paste in our evidence file. Control V. Yeah, done. So perfectly fine. Next, next, what we need to do here. Okay, in task 2D, now we are entering into the last task, which is 2D. Morgan wants to add an additional field to the customer table to include the customer contact number. So write the, okay, this is the contact number. This is the fill in the blanks they gave. So definitely, student, always remember the best data type for the contact number is text. You can write here text. And generally we use, 10 numbers or 15, maximum 15 numbers we will use including the country code. So it will be 15. Maximum you can write it as a 15. Oh, so they give here the questions. So this is text, yep, and then this is 15. Maximum number is 15. Now identify which field would be the foreign key. So yes, customer number. Okay, customer number would be the foreign key. Customer number would be the foreign key. Next, yeah, add a record. So let me add a record to this to the customer table. Okay, so now where is the customer table? Double click and let me open. This is the customer table. Okay, and the customer ID is this. Control C and Control V, and then customer name is Samuel. So here we go, Samuel. Next, email ID is this. They give us. So let me copy the email ID from here. Control C and Control V, and then next is email, prefer an email, prefer to email. Done. Anything else? Resave the customer table file. Save. Done. Take a screenshot, okay, of the customer table data sheet. Show the new record. Okay, so Windows plus print screen. You can take the screenshot of this customer table. Okay, paste the screenshot in your A2 task A2. Okay, evidence document. So now enter. Control V. Done. Anything else we need to do? Yeah. So now answer the following question. in your document. Okay, so the party table include the date field. State one appropriate validation check. Okay, so you can write here as a presences check. Okay, presences check. Why? Because one reason, because it should be in a, the data should be in range. Data should be in a given given range to show its PRESEN presences in the field or in the cell. You can write anything. That's fine. Anything else? Save the task as a PDF. So now, okay. So resave the task to as a PDF format. Okay. So now you need to go file and save as and browse. Okay. So now file save as PDF and then save. Perfectly fine. So done. I hope students you enjoy the video. Okay, this is done. I hope you enjoy the video, students. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching.